Cast your eyes on that, big man. Do I thought I could wear the fucking lines?
Bro, I've been watching you for years.
No, have you?
With the golf.
You're in the video now.
End of the production.
Welcome back to another video. So today is another car meet. I think it's still going to be the same location that we met the first car meet, the one that I went to a couple of weeks ago. Nathan said he's going to come down, Lee's going to be there, so Lucas said he might come down, so we'll see how this car meet goes. It is a nice day, a lot better than last week, so we'll see. Yo, what's this? Bro, every time I've seen you, bro. Yes.
Another one.
Yes. Oh, did you sell that other one?
Swapped it for
Yeah?
this.
What is it? It's not an RS, is it?
Oh, it's turbo but XR3i.
Bloody hell. Decent that. Hey, how does it sound? Decent, bro. Wait, you swapped it for this? That's a good one, that, isn't it? A good swap. How you doing, Lee? You alright? Yeah.
So either bring the Golf R out or bring this mate.
Yeah. That one there, no power steering.
No power steering.
No power steering. How are the brakes?
I can pull pedal back.
Whoa, is that electric? Has to be. Yeah, you see, definitely got bullied.
That is old school.
That is old school. Bro, to be honest, it's not even that rusty.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, it's decent. Yeah.
No welding on it. Still got its battery tray.
Right, Lee, you've made it. Right, we're gonna do a little walk around, see what's here. We've got a lovely Toyota there, magic. We've got E46 there, look at that. Beautiful, that is. Wait, he might be showing something because he's got his bonnet open. Oh, Lee! Cast your eyes on that, big man. It's a big old turbo, that. Oh my god. I wonder what it's running.
So we got it.
Yeah.
So my turbo.
Is it bigger than that?
Yeah.
No. Nice one, this Lee. You should get one of these, bro. GTI. For the lads. Ooh, look at that M3 there. Easy. I think that's satin black.
Do you have that Mark 7 I've got?
Mini GP. V8, is it? Ooh, hold up. Wait a minute. What's going on there, big man? See that one there, Lee? See that? 63.
Oh, that's a bit of you, that.
What is a bit of me? Which one? That Peugeot there. Decent. Decent. Did you have one of that? What did you have that when you were working at 117? Yeah, that one. Slammed. Do you think he's on that? He has to be on air ride, innit? He can't get about it that. Yo, Lee, how many GT, 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 what? GT, GT. Whoa, he's got an R32 exhaust on it. You never see the new ones, innit? Ooh, what? Decent, that sounds like that. M3. Decent. Yes. Decent wing. Sounds alright though. S3 ST. Decent. sounds well. Full kit on it. Slammed. Yes, sir. Lewis! How's it going, mate?
Right, you good? You good?
Where's yours?
Where's mine?
Oh, yeah,
You're
yeah.
really asking me where mine is?
We got it back, the 1 of 1.
Had to be done. Had to be done.
How does it look from the inside? Is it open?
Yeah, have a look.
Yeah. So it didn't. That colour didn't go like anywhere inside it to match inside.
It's purple inside.
Eh?
It's purple.
It's got purple,
Purple
interior
inside,
lights.
right.
Yeah. Good
Nice, that
sport
Lewis.
seats and that. It's got to be done, hasn't it?
Yeah.
You know, you got to spec them good.
I think it's still the best one here because it's 1 of 1 and no one else is 1 of 1. Beautiful M2 there. Oh, M3 gangster. There you say a drug deal here, Bush. Minus a window. Type R. Fast model. No, anyway, bro. So you had the Mark 6, same as mine. And you were following all my videos of the Mark 6.
I tried to buy the headlights off you as well. I said you
The old ones.
when you were selling it, I was trying to get the headlights
Oh,
off.
right, no way. So what have you got now? What is this?
325i.
325R. Decent, decent. Alright, Lucas.
How you doing?
How's it going, mate? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Decent turnout, bro. Look, there's fucking loads of cars out.
Wow.
What's going on there? Yeah, no, the drift more. It's decent. Look at that, Lucas. That is huge. Massive. Which one? Well, you like them? That one there. That's a bit of you, that Lucas. Go on.
Yeah.
We love your Japs. That's it. Get the angle right. That's it. Look. Lucas, that's a bit of you, that mate.
Yeah.
That is all you, sunshine. Magic that. Beautiful. Do you think it's a wrap? This can't come factory like that, no chance.
Maybe.
No. Yeah, let's see here now. You can always tell at the front if it's a wrap or not.
And doesn't look like.
Nah, it has to be a wrap.
Maybe here.
Where?
I know. It's just.
We're trying to see if it's a wrap or not. It's always the. Oh, there we go. Beautiful there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See there? Where they've tried and tucked it.
Ah, yeah. These edges
But
are
still,
very difficult to.
Yeah, fucking hell, if this was factory like that, it'd be a lot of money. It'd be like the other one, 1 of 1.
845.
Well, you like that one, yeah?
Yeah.
A35.
Yeah. This is the 35, but I think the
45 looks better.
is
Yeah,
nicer.
same. I think that.
Yeah.
Wait, you bought my steering wheel?
Yeah, about 4
Yeah?
years ago.
Who's that?
Hey, outside, John.
Wait. Yeah. Still got the S3.
No, it was an A. It was just an A3.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I just
yeah.
put the steering wheel on there.
I came.
Came
when you
outside.
could-
Yeah.
I
No,
remember
I'm not
that.
got it anymore.
Yeah. All right.
I just seen a car from 117.
All right, no way.
The high MG plate.
Yeah. Decent. Fucking hell, in there. I crashed then. State of that. Look at the fucking ground. What the fuck is this guy doing? Well, this one, you're not a fan of them grills?
No.
You know what, when it first came out, I was like, fucking hate this, what have they done?
It looks like an Angry Bird.
Now, it's grown on me, to be honest. Have you seen
Really?
the new M2?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell, what the fuck?
Minecraft M2.
Yes, fucking shit. Decent. Look at this one. Them bowler wheels. Decent. Got the best of the best right here. That is beautiful, isn't it? Hey? No, it's alright. Yeah. Because where do I park my car? Where the fucking lines? Fucking number plates hanging I love an R32 really. Oh, bang on there.
Keep it getting the good side.
All right. Why? What's wrong with the other side? Love an R32B. Magic that. Name anyway?
Edward, mate.
Andrew. Nice seeing you, Andrew. Lovely car. Oh, decent, Lucas. What do you think, Lucas? Nice.
Wheels.
Yeah. Fucking big wheels.
2 fingers outside.
I know, yeah. Mate, it is X5M. Fast model, this. Bloody hell's going on. Fucking hell. Fast model. Ooh, SVL. SVL, huh? Look at Lucas getting the angles. Whoa. That is lovely, right? There's barely fitting in there, Lucas. There's nearly in there, nearly in the spot. Car's massive. Is it import? Is it import, this one? Yeah. Decent, my God, look at the size of it. What do you think, Lucas? Next car? Yeah, next car.
Like the colour.
Yeah, different colour. Oh, mate. Bad. Decent. What do you think, Lucas? One of these for your next car. Come on.
Yeah.
Wow. I love the Mark 6. Beautiful. Oh, there it is. Oh, G-Wagon. Beautiful bit of kit mush. Yes, yeah. Decent. It's a nice looking Mini now. Oh, beautiful, mate. Ooh, Chaser. Oh, mate. This is no good news. Look at everyone running. Look at everyone shitting themselves. Fucking right, that one van. Look at them all, bro. Decent. 728. Oof, sounds bad that. Beautiful that is. Alright. Moving. Yes, Lucas. It's in it. Yo, that's moving. You should go back. Ah, that's 7. Check that back there. Yes. So far. Oh, he's got the window things just like mine. Yes, look at that. Send it! Who got more? GTI. Beautiful lights. What the fuck? Is it on this?
Bro, I've been watching it for years.
No, have you?
With the golf.
You're in the video now. Decent. I'm just waiting for a. Love the X5 MV. Maybe. Oof, that looks bad. That's M60. Ooh, M3 that. It is. Hey, yours is still good as well, bro. Yo, check that colour out. Oh, you want to? You're in the video now. Oh, manual up. Is this a Golf 4? Do you want to be in the video? You're in the video now.
Oh yeah, come on!
Why? What car have you got?
Fucking, I'm gonna pass my theory test, then I'm gonna get a car in it. Yeah, bro.
Wait, how did you get it?
No, bus in it.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Dedication.
In it, bro. Dedication. That's what you can see.
Made it back. Came back home. I don't know what's. Let's see all this here. These are just flies. On the way back, I don't know what sort of fly migration happened, but I have killed quite a few flies. It's just all over the windshield. Like the windscreen washer's not even, just fucking pure flies. I don't know what happened. Maybe they had a migrating season. It's just, yeah. Well, we'll end this video here. Thanks for watching.